Wow, this guy, yeah. This is your favorite boy, T Electrical. Thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is what we do for a living. Anyway, thank you. Today we are able to install 7.5 kV inverter machine with 100 amps MPPT charge controller. They are all Felicity as you can see. Come closer. They are all Felicity as you can see. They are all Felicity as you can see. This is the inverter machine. It's charge controller is charging. See what is coming from the sun. 57. So with 4 batteries. So I remain your favorite boy. I remain your favorite boy, AT Electrical. Thank you. Thank you for following me on YouTube, on Instagram, as well as Facebook. I love you. Thank you.